friends, welcome back to my classes. Today I'm going to tell you how to define a wind load without how to apply a wind load without defining it. Okay, so go to Stat Pro, click on new project. I'm giving it a name 413. Okay, next, finish. Now close this. Now go to geometry, run a structure wizard. Now go to frame models, define the frame. Today I'm defining it 3. Let's take it 3. Again let's take it 3. Okay, apply it. Now transfer this model. Okay, now first of all define the model. Go to general, define rectangle. I'm defining it 0.2 and 0.3. okay, let's click on add, assign. Okay, now go to support, assign the supports, create fixed support. Okay, now front view, select the nodes, select the nodes. Okay, now go to loads and definitions. Now you have to click on load casing details and select dead load. For first I'm defining L1. okay, for the dead loads click on add. Now for live load I'm defining it as L2. okay, click on add it, and for wind load I'm defining is WL. okay, WL. okay, let's click on add. Okay, now first of all for dead load click on L1, click on add and select self weight. okay, now for L2 click on add, go to member load here and define minus 10 kilonewton. okay, now click on add it. okay, now for wind load, okay, add, go to member load again here. Now for here wind load for the x-axis direction. okay, so we have to define the positive x-axis direction. So here select GX and here give it a plus of 4 kilonewton. It will be plus 4. okay, so let's add it. okay, so now self weight, go to assign. okay, this one. Now member load, live load. Now select the top beam, assign to select beam. okay, so this also have been assigned. Now the wind loads. okay, so select this beam. okay, this vertical column. okay, so this one I am selecting it, and this wind load is also defined, you can see here. Now go to load casing details and add, and here define the combination. okay, so first of all define it. So here I have to give this like this. okay, so I am defining it as 1.1 plus 1.5, and load combination I am giving it 1.1 L1 plus 1.5 L2. okay, just this has been defined though, so just click on add. okay, now again here now give it as factor is 1.1 and it will be 0.75. okay, now define the load case. This is 1.1 L1 plus 0.75 L2. okay, just click on add. okay, this all cases have been defined. okay, so now just go to analysis and print, click on add, close, analyze, run analysis. You can check for the errors where there is errors or not. okay, so there are 0 errors. Now you can see the post processing mode, you have to see it, and you can see, go to animation, deflection, you can see here. So yes, wind load has been applied, so our structure is safe now. So thank you very much. If you like my video, please do like, share, and don't forget to subscribe. If you have any doubt, then please comment on the comment box section. okay, thank you.